Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also that bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up, and that's where you guys come in. For the growth of this channel, it is important that if you enjoy the content that I make, and that I make so much of it, please take a second when you arrive to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and it's you helping True Ones get noticed on this huge YouTube platform. YouTube has informed us that we should make sure to mention it in our videos, simply because it's this type of content that if others enjoy and they just have not had an opportunity to meet me yet, but they like this type of content, the amount of thumbs up will help my videos show up in their feed. So I thank everyone in advance who is enjoying the content and giving that thumbs up when they arrive. So thank you for the support. All right, guys, today I want to share with you about something that I signed up for just before I had a channel, and it is called the Influencer. And I wonder if the name is on here. Yeah, it's right here. And this is something that when I decided to have a channel, my biggest concern was I didn't know how much I was going to purchase or do anything in reference to have a channel. But I knew that I had a lot of information because I used to purchase a lot of fashion and makeup and all of that. And I had so much in my stash already that I wanted to be able to share that with you guys. And then when I moved to United States was when I finally had the time to be able to do this channel. And I was blown away by ULTA and learning about their point system. So I wanted to share that on the channel to make sure that everybody knew how it worked and, you know, what I bought at Sephora and everything like that. And then the boxes came into my life. But before all of that, Influencer was something that was popping up all the time in my emails. And I don't know if it was because I was shopping so much for makeup and stuff that it did, or what it was, but it's simply a free program that if you take the time to review products, they will then send you out with what they call these items, which are Vox items. What I like about Influencer is two things. One is when I signed up for it, it did take a while till I started getting some free boxes, but I also took the time one Christmas, and it's got to be at least 3 years ago, that I literally for 2 weeks every day was sitting down and writing reviews. And so I really, for the first week or two that I was off over Christmas time, I decided that's what I was going to do. I was going to focus on that so that I can hopefully get some free products from this brand. So what ended up happening was I did all that, and then things started to get too busy and I didn't have time to do reviews. So I really have not done for at least 2 years reviews on that site, which is Influencer, but they still send down surveys, and these surveys take time. I'm not going to say they don't, they do, but then they give you the option to opt in or opt out. And that's what I like about it. So I do go through the surveys to see what it's all about. I opt out a lot more than opting in, simply because I don't have the time to really take the products, review the products, which I think is important than from all the products that I get now through my boxes and my shopping and all of that. But when there's something of interest to me is something that I will opt in if that becomes an opportunity for me. But they have everything. It's not just makeup. They have it for home goods. They have it for pets. They have it for so many things, for food. They have it for a lot of stuff. I just choose which ones that I would be interested in, and that's that. They also don't know that I have a YouTube channel, so this is available to everybody. But I did inform them that I have an Instagram, which is easy for everybody to set up. And then you just are asked to post on the social media. And if you're not comfortable posting on social media, you just opt out of that option as well. But they also enable you to have to sometimes write reviews on the sites like Sephora or ULTA, and they tell you that. So if there's something that shows up that says they want something on TikTok, I'm not going to do that. So I opt out of that. So it might even be something that I really want, but all the places that they want me to write a review, I'm not comfortable doing, so I opt out. So what I like about this is everybody can join it. and then you are in the position of opting in or opting out. And that's it. So when I do get the last box I got from them, I can't even tell you how long ago, it was filled with Charlotte Tilbury, which blew my mind. This time around, they ended up sending me something from the brand called Almay. And this is a brand that I always saw in the drugstores, but I never tried any of their products. So I'm really interested to learn a little bit more about them. And this came with a card with 2 items on it. And simply what they're saying here on the back of the card, it simply says, to get started, I log into my influencer profile on the app and check out what they're calling this box that they sent is called the Almay Sensitive Eyes Vox box. It then tells me that I have to test the Almay biodegradable microcellular eye makeup remover pads. And they sent a second product in here, which is their Almay conditioning liquid eyeliner. And then it says simply review on influencer and post on Instagram using the hashtag Almay times influencer. And then it says check your campaign for important instructions regarding any disclosure, because you must disclose that you got this for free for review, and they give you all those hashtags that you need to put when you're putting it on a post. And that's how simple this one was. So this to me was a no-brainer. I get to try some products from a brand that I'm not familiar with, and all that they are asking for is for me to review it on Influencer, which you would do anyways, and then to also post it on my Instagram. So to me, it was a win-win to try some new products. And this is the other side of the card, and these are the 2 products that were in here. So the first one is these Almay, and these were biodegradable, which got my interest. And this is an oil-free micellar eye pad remover, and they're saying there's 120 in here, and that they're hypoallergenic, and they're saying it is the #1 eye makeup remover. That is what is written on the jar here. And when I opened this up, it had a complete safety seal. I will be removing my makeup on this tonight, trying these, but I did open it up. It had a bit of a strong scent for me, almost like a nail polishy alcohol type of scent. How I tell you all the time how I remove my eye makeup is either with like Lancome, or I use the one from the drugstore. My favorite is from Garnier with the pink tap. But it is fantastic if when you're traveling to be able to travel where the actual product, the micellar water, is with inside the pad. And to me, that's great. So I took one out so I can show you the size of the pad. It's already dried out because I took this out earlier today. There is no scent on this now, but when you open it up, I felt there was a strong scent. So I will remove it, and I will leave a note in the comment down below after I've had the opportunity to remove it to tell you if I had stinging, blurring, or any of that, because I have not used this yet. This just arrived and I'm filming today, so I wanted to make sure to share with you more about Influencer than about the actual product. So I'm gonna do that. And then the other product that was in here was also from Almay. And if you've tried any of these, please share that in the comments down below as well, because I really would love to know. And then the other one was an eyeliner, and it is a liquid one. The shade that they sent me was navy. They're saying this is a new product, and they're saying it is a conditioning liquid eyeliner. It's an all-day wear intense color. It has a fine felt tip and a lash caring complex. That sounds interesting. And they're also saying this is ophthalmology tested. So I'm going to open this up, and then we're going to take a look at it here. So this is what this looks like here. And it is that type of tip. And we'll just do a quick swatch here. It's a gorgeous blue. That looks stunning. And that went on very smooth. It says it's a felt tip, but it's flexible like a brush. So it's not one of those hard felt tips. And like I said, I'm introducing myself to a product that I'm really excited to have the opportunity to try, as well as a brand that I really don't know enough about. So now I'm really excited to have the opportunity for free to get these products from Influencer, and then to be able just to write a review on Influencer after I've tested them, and then on Instagram, and to make sure that I use the hashtags that they asked me to, so that everyone knows that I got these free for review. And that's what I wanted to share with you. So I think it's really important to be able to share when there's brands that offer free products that to me are legitimate. There's a lot of brands out there that offer free products. Like I tried 2 other ones more recently because I found them on Instagram, and then they started sending so many emails, and I was getting little pouches of products to test, and I got the boxes once, and then I never chose to get it again. And now I'm trying my best to unsubscribe from them, and I'm finding it very hard to do that. So for me, I really don't need any more products being sent to me, but this is a legitimate company that's been around a really long time, and the products that they send you could be as drugstore to the high-end Charlotte Tilbury, Tom Ford, all of that. So very exciting, nice when you can get a Vox box. I wish I had more time, and you know, if I ever choose not to do a channel, I would definitely go back to writing reviews on this to get boxes, because I'm loving everything that I have received from them. Has been an absolute home run and introduced me, like I said, to products and brands that I never had the opportunity to have access to before. So share with me down below if you are part of Influencer and some of the best products and maybe some of the not so great products that you received from them. I'd love to know that as well. And that's it for today, guys. So everyone, please continue to stay safe and well, and I'll see you all again in the next one. Bye for now.